Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify keeps crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify keeps crashing, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find uninstall here, you can uninstall your app to fix that problem you have, and you can install again your application to fix it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.